Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Hedera price prediction and Hedera news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Hedera in 2022. Built as the trust layer of the internet, Hedera hashgraph is currently a public network that allows individuals and companies to build powerful decentralized applications, dApps. It is designed to be a fairer and more efficient system, able to remove some of the limitations faced by older blockchain platforms, such as slow performance and instability. It raised funding through an initial coin offering, ICO, in August 2018, and launched its mainnet open access for the first time just over a year later in September 2019. As part of the ICO, investors were able to purchase their own platform utility token, HBAR, at the lowest possible price. The HBAR token has a dual function on the Hedera public network. First, HBAR supports Hedera services such as smart contracts, file storage, and recurring transactions. Secondly, it is used to secure the network, as HBAR users can stake their own tokens to maintain the integrity of the platform. Hedera hashgraph, HBAR, develops bullish divergence inside descending wedge. Hedera hashgraph has been falling since reaching an all-time high price of 57 cents on September 16. On November 12, the price made another attempt at moving upwards, but was rejected by the 43 cents long-term resistance area. The downward move led to a low of $0.187 on February 24. Measuring from the all-time high price, this amounted to a decrease of nearly 64%. Technical indicators are neutral, leaning on bearish. Both the RSI and MACD are falling. While the RSI is currently below 50, the MACD has yet to cross into negative territory. If this occurs, it would be a strong sign that the trend is bearish. Bullish HBAR pattern. Despite the bearishness from the weekly time frame, the daily chart looks more bullish, since HBAR has been trading inside a descending wedge since December 4. The descending wedge is normally considered a bullish pattern. Therefore, a breakout from the pattern would be the most likely scenario. In addition to this, both the MACD and RSI have generated significant bullish divergences, green lines. Such occurrences very often precede bullish trend reversals. If a breakout from the pattern transpires, the closest resistance area would be found at 33 cents. This target is both the horizontal resistance area and the 0.382 Fib retracement resistance level. Wave count analysis. Cryptocurrency trader at 24 crypto tweeted an HBAR chart showing that the price is correcting inside what is likely wave 4. It seems likely that the decrease from the all-time high price is an ABC corrective structure, white, where waves A and C had an exact 1:1 ratio. The sub-wave count is shown in black, and we can see that wave C developed into an ending diagonal. Such formations are usually succeeded by a significant and swift movement in the other direction. Therefore, the wave count supports the findings from the bullish divergences, and indicates that HBAR breaking out above the wedge is the most likely scenario. The next news, Crypto Weekly Roundup. India's crypto tax, FTX acquires Liquid, SEC rejects Fidelity ETF, and more. India steps into a new era as crypto assets become legalized, with the announcement of a flat 30% tax on all digital earnings in the 2022 budget speech. It marks a momentous occasion as most traders and investors in the country are welcoming the regulatory clarity after months of turmoil. Let's find out more. Bitcoin MicroStrategy CEO Michael Saylor recently held a live keynote session with Jack Dorsey, CEO of Block Incorporated, in which the two executives discussed the future of Bitcoin. Famous rock star Gene Simmons has revealed that he will accept cryptocurrency payments for the upcoming sale of his $13.5 million mansion in Ethereum. In an update report, core Ethereum developer Tim Biko has outlined the noteworthy moments and events happening since the launch of the Kintsugi testnet. He has also highlighted plans of focusing on proposals that have been sidelined due to the IP 1559 launch. Allcoins Input-Output has announced that Cardano block sizes are set to increase by 11% to optimize its network, and will enable the protocol to process more transactions. Litecoin has finally released its Mimblewimble upgrade after 2 years of development, bringing the network more privacy-oriented transactions. Technology Meta, its shares having crashed 20% on the back of its poorly perceived fourth-quarter financial results, is spending most of its earnings on the metaverse. Founder of India-based crypto exchange Wazirx, Nishal Shetty, has announced the launch of a new blockchain called Shardiyum to compete with both Ethereum and Solana. Business Yuga Labs, the blockchain development firm behind the Bored Ape Yacht Club NFT series, is reportedly in talks with A16Z, Andreessen Horowitz, a Silicon Valley tech venture capital firm that's currently focused on crypto startups. English football giants Manchester United is to be partnering up with the Tezos blockchain platform to unveil new training kit sponsorship. HBAR Foundation and Ubisoft have partnered up to support the growth of gaming on Hedera network. Dune Analytics, a WEB3 analytics platform, has announced a fundraise of $69,420,000, making the platform a unicorn with a valuation of $1 billion. The cryptocurrency exchange FTX has acquired the Liquid Group and all of its operating subsidiaries, including the Coin Corporation. Payments technology firm Visa's latest earnings report shows that spending for crypto assets through its cards has surged in the first fiscal quarter of the year. In the latest Series B funding round, the Phantom Wallet has raised a total of $109 million funding round on a $1.2 billion valuation. Regulation India welcomes the new crypto tax regime, as the government announces a flat 30% tax on income from all digital assets. Opposing the Bank of Russia's views on banning cryptocurrencies, the country's Ministry of Finance is lobbying the government to legalize crypto as financial assets. The UK's HMRC has updated its cryptosis manual that it published last year to provide legislative clarification on how DeFi will be taxed in the UK. The South African Financial Sector Conduct Authority, FSCA, has issued statements warning citizens against trading in the FTX and Bybit exchanges. Thailand's original plan to levy a 15% withholding tax on cryptocurrency transactions has been scrapped following major pushback from crypto traders. The United States Securities and Exchanges Commission, SEC, has rejected yet another spot Bitcoin exchange-traded fund, ETF, this time from investment giant Fidelity. Disclaimer. This article is provided for informational purposes only. It is not offered or intended to be used as legal, tax, investment, financial, or other advice. We will try to answer these frequently asked questions. Is Hedera, HBAR, a good investment? How much will Hedera cost in 2025? Or how much will Hedera cost in 10 years? Guessing price fluctuations and predicting future prices is a hell of a task. Our team is determined to master the strategy as quickly as possible. The value of Hedera hashgraph is expected to continue rising as scarcity tends to drive the price up. Please note that there is some risk to any investment. Just invest in what you can, before jumping to conclusions, and do as much research as possible. Hedera is currently worth 22 cents United States dollars with a market cap of $4,248,008,320, making it a 32 most valuable coin. How high can Hedera hashgraph go? The average Hedera hashgraph rate could reach 51 cents by the end of this year. If we take a 5-year plan, we calculate that the coin will easily reach $2.13. We have given an analytical forecast up to 2030 inclusive. Perhaps some of this will be useful to you. Hedera course forecasts for 2022 and 2022, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks. Hedera's price will skyrocket, with a maximum trading price of 34 cents in 2022. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of 30 cents, with a maximum price of 34 cents for 2022. HBAR rate forecast 2023. The value of Hedera will rise, thanks to the efforts of the network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2023 is bullish. HBAR is expected to top out at 51 cents by the end of 2023, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that Hedera's future will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of HBAR will be between 42 cents and 43 cents, expected in 2023 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of HBAR ranges from 42 cents to 51 cents for 2023. Hedera course forecast 2024. It appears that by 2024, Hedera, HBAR, prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high.